How to disassemble the mold. First, remove the 4 set screws of upper mold. Turn the screw anti-clockwise, it is to loosen the screw. Turn the screw clockwise, it is to tighten the mold. When it is almost disassembled, hold the upper mold with your hand. The upper mold is disassembled. Next is to disassemble the lower mold. Turn the screws of the 4 pressing blocks anti-clockwise. Pay attention to the white ear pie faces inwards and the blue one is behind. Loosen the pressing blocks and put them aside. When you will remove the ear pie, push the ear valve outward. It will turn it off. If you push it inside to the right, it will have air. Okay, now the mold is loosened.